Good evening to you all. It's nice to meet so many students of the blue community together. I never miss the opportunity. मैं कभी मौका छोड़ता नहीं हूँ. जब भी यूथ और स्टूडेंट के साथ बात करना है, मैं हर मौका लेता हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग इस समाज के भविष्य है. Because you are the future of this society. What the society will become like tomorrow and day after and from many years from now, you will determine that. When I was young, almost your age, we didn't have so many students from Guru community or from any other indigenous community. Our people were busy zooming and doing agricultural work. Today I go to Haram Society, I see so many students, itne sare students बैठे हैं. Today I come to the Blue students, I see the hall almost full. And it is very encouraging that our youngsters are taking up education. And not only education, through education, there is a sense of unity. एक साथ मिलना, एक साथ करना, एक साथ सपना देखना, अपना समाज के बारे में एक साथ सोचना. These are things which make a very vibrant society. इससे हमारा समाज बनता है. Only education, physics, chemistry, biology, engineering does not make a society. What makes a society? The bonding of each member. To be able to bond, to think beyond politics, to think beyond individual gains, to think how we can progress further. This collective thought, हम जब एक साथ सोचते हैं तभी समाज बनता है. हम सब एक साथ लड़ते हैं तो समाज बनता है. Few days back I was in Jaipur addressing youth parliament. उधर भी बहुत सारे youth था, नौजवान थे. And there I told them that every youth must have a dream. हर युवक युवती का अपना सपना होना चाहिए. And every man, every woman of the society must work to fulfill that dream. A dream ऐसा ना हो, मुझे नौकरी कब मिलेगा, मेरा घर कब बनेगा, मेरा जेब में पैसा कब आएगा. These are small dreams. These are important dreams, but small dreams. सपना होना चाहिए बड़ा सपना. मैंने ये भी बोला था जयपुर में, ड्रीम इज नॉट समथिंग दैट पुट्स यू टू स्लीप. सपना किसको बोलता है? जो सुलाता है वो सपना नहीं है. जो रात भर जगा के रखता है वही सपना है. समथिंग दैट कीप्स यू अवेक होल नाइट. That is your dream. And that dream should be big. वो सपना बड़ा होना चाहिए. हाँ मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा, हाँ मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा, अपना परिवार के लिए बनूंगा और समाज के लिए भी बनूंगा. Because in our community, indigenous community of Tripura, we have many political leaders. I am a political leader. There are many political leaders of different colors. हमको चाहिए सोशल लीडरशिप. क्या जरूरत है? सामाजिक नेता. पॉलिटिशियन बहुत है, मैं भी पॉलिटिशियन हूं, दशरथ बाबू भी पॉलिटिशियन था, विजय रांखल जी भी पॉलिटिशियन हैं, श्यामाचरण त्रिपुरा जी भी पॉलिटिशियन थे, नगेंद्र जमातिया जी भी पॉलिटिशियन थे। पॉलिटिशियन हमारे पास बहुत है। राव कुमार रियांग जी पॉलिटिशियन थे। हमको चाहिए क्या? समाज का नेता, पॉलिटिक्स से ऊपर, लिटिल अबव पॉलिटिक्स। You cannot avoid politics completely. आप completely politics avoid नहीं कर सकते हैं. Politics is a part of life, is a part of democracy. But we can think about politics. Politics हम छोड़ नहीं सकते. Politics हमको वोट देना है, इलेक्शन लड़ना है. डेमोक्रेसी में, गणतंत्र में पॉलिटिक्स जरूरी है. जिंदगी का हर अंश, every part of our life is mixed with politics somewhere. But we can always think about politics. Yes, politics is necessary. What is more necessary is unity of our people. Unity for a common cause. Unity to live with dignity. And living with dignity does not only mean history. Living with dignity is a reality. हम जब बोलते हैं living with dignity, we think history. हमारा हिस्ट्री इतने पुराना है, वो है. But living with dignity must become a reality. And when you live with dignity, we have to see socio-economic life. When the socio-economic life of our people progress, then we can live in dignity. When the political rights of our people can be established, we will live in dignity. So, living with dignity, सम्मान के साथ रहना माने सोशियो-इकोनॉमिकल, सोशियो-पॉलिटिकल, वो दोनों हमको देखना है. You are educated boys and girls. You must think in these terms. और वो भी सोचना है, हिस्ट्री में हम रह नहीं सकते हैं. त्रिपुरा के सबसे बड़े जनरल्स, the most famous generals of Tripura belong to the Blue community. Rai Kachak, Rai Kosom. Tripura Sundari Mandir, now everyone is going, whether someone comes from Delhi or from Bombay or from Calcutta. That mandir was established by Rai Kachak. That cannon in Kamanchomuni, Agartala, city center, whatever you may call it, the cannon there was brought by a young general. The history of Tripura is full of bravery of the Blue people. There is no denying this fact, but we cannot live in history. हम हिस्ट्री में रह नहीं सकते. हमको रहना है रियलिटी में. जो वास्तव, उसमें रहना है, हिस्ट्री से सीखना है. We have to live in reality and learn from history. Someone said once, history is the greatest teacher. इतिहास सबसे बड़ा शिक्षक है, टीचर है. जो इतिहास से सीखता नहीं, वो कुछ नहीं सीखता. That pride must be with us. Yes, we made Tripura. We conquered for Tripura. The Blue people must have this pride. The holiest shrine of Tripura, Ma Tripura Sundari, was brought by a young general, by a Blue general. The command of Hussain Shah was captured by a Blue general. That pride must be in us. Yet, we have to adapt ourselves to the reality of today. And reality of today is that indigenous people must unite. Must unite. And must unite, not only for politics, so that we may live in peace, in harmony, in prosperity, and above all, with dignity. A bag full of money and no dignity is no life. एक बैग भर्ती पैसा और सम्मान नहीं, उस पैसा का कुछ कीमत ही नहीं. So we have to learn this. And I said already, to live in dignity is not very easy. It is not very easy. बोलना बहुत सहज है. Very easy to say, we will live with dignity. But living in dignity, as I said, and I am repeating it, requires socio-cultural and socio-political upliftment of our people. Socio-cultural? What is socio-cultural? We have a society. The indigenous people have a very strong social bond. And this is proved by today. BSM has called a meeting, the hall is almost full of youngsters. There is a social bond, we have to strengthen it. We have to strengthen it. The social bond that we have, indigenous people, that needs to be strengthened. Our social values are different, that's why we are called indigenous people. Those social values also need to be strengthened. Community living, community sharing, working in each other's fields, making houses for each other. These are the values that we had. We don't have a labor class in the indigenous community. लेबर बोल के कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास. हम सब एक दूसरे का काम करते हैं. जूम करेंगे, मेरा जूम आप करेंगे, आपका जूम मैं करूंगा. What can be more democratic than that? आपका घर मैं बनाऊंगा, आप मेरा घर बनाएंगे. These are the values the world is learning from us. That is the value that the world is learning from the indigenous people. लेबर क्लास बोले कुछ नहीं है. मेरा घर बना दो, मैं पैसा देता हूं, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. तुम्हारा पैसा है तो तुम घर बनाओ, नहीं तो नहीं बनाओ. ऐसा नहीं था हमारा. So there was no homeless. Maybe a small house. But we all had houses. Maybe a small room. But we had enough food. Because we learned how to share. Because we learned how to share in our social values. That value has to be kept. Modernity must come. But values cannot change. A lie is still a lie. झूठ बात अभी भी खराबी है, जितना मॉडर्न भी हो. Taking someone thing is stealing. Whether in the 18th century or 21st century. So basic values don't change. No matter how much computer and internet we do, इतना बार हम इंटरनेट करें और क्या कंप्यूटर करें, बेसिक जो वैल्यू है, मूल जो मूल्यबोध है, basic values don't change. Taking someone thing without asking him is stealing in 17th century, is stealing in 21st century also. Telling a lie is a lie in the 17th century or 14th century, it is still a lie in 21st century. Hurting someone or causing harm to someone was bad 500 years back, it is bad today also. So basic values don't change. Our indigenous basic values should not change. We will modernize, we will learn, we will move forward. But basic value change, if it is change, then we become rootless. And no tree in this world can survive without a root. No matter how big tree it may be, banyan tree, bodgas, it must have root to survive. The same thing with every society, especially indigenous society. No matter how big the society becomes, how many doctors we have, how many engineers we have, how many MA pass we have, BA pass we have, if the basic root is not nourished, is not strong. And what is that basic root? That basic root is our indigenous values of sharing, of caring, of staying together, community living, caring for the forest. If that is gone, society is only for show. Then there will be no society left. Because if a root starts rotting, root sarne koshish ho jayega. If the root starts rotting, the tree also rots. Fruit will rot, the leaves will fall off. Maybe a very big tree, very powerful tree, you will see what a big tree. You can see its flowers, you can see its fruits, you can see its foliage, leaves. You can't see its roots. Roots cannot be seen, roots dikhai nahi padta hai. But that is the thing that holds the tree and the fruit and the trunk and the leaf, and everything is held by the root. So we must be careful that our roots don't rot. हमारा रूट्स जैसे खराब ना हो, वो हरदम हर युवक को देखना चाहिए, हर युवती को देखना चाहिए. Because no tree is strong without its roots, no society is strong without its roots. That is your socio-cultural values. Socio-economic, economics का दिन है आजकल. We will have to prosper, we will have to earn. For that, knowledge is required. Earlier, the most powerful man used to be the man who had most land. In Bangladesh, jar jaga bechi, tar shakti bechi. But no more. This is not true anymore. Now, jar gyan bechi, tar shakti bechi. जिसका ज्ञान ज्यादा, वही शक्ति ज्यादा. This is the age of knowledge, age of technology. So we'll have to move with the times. And what is cultural values? Our songs, our dances, our folk stories, they are a part and parcel of our roots. Like the Hojagiri dance. It is a part of our identity. If language is a part of our identity, our cultures, our songs, our dances, our folk stories are also part of our identity. Identity is lost, everything is lost. Identity lost, everything is lost.